Hello, dear students, and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn future simple, its form, and its uses. So, in this video, we are going to cover the three different types of sentences. First of all, we are going to start with the affirmative sentence, how to use the future simple in an affirmative sentence, then the interrogative sentence, and finally the negative sentence. So, let's get started. So here we have the future simple with the affirmative sentence. So here we have affirmative, long form, I will phone. For example, I will phone. He, she, and it will phone. You, we, they will phone. So this is the normal form, the long form, will. When it comes to short form, we will put just apostrophe double L. So I will, I will phone. He will phone. So just like we did with the long form, just we are going to omit the WE. Then we have the interrogative form. So when it comes to the interrogative form, it's that's to say the question. So we are going to make the inversion, subject verb inversion. So here, will I phone? Will she phone? Will he phone? Will it phone? Will you phone? Will we phone? And will they phone? So here we are asking about whether we will phone or not. Okay, then we have the negative sentence. So for the negative, we have also long and short form. So the first one is the long form, so will not, and we can use also won't as a short form. So I will not phone or I won't phone. He will not phone or he won't phone. She will not phone or she won't phone. You will not phone. You won't phone. So remember, just we have always here the short form and the long form. Okay, so that's it for the three forms, the affirmative, interrogative, and negative. Now let's practice. Here we have an exercise about how to use the future simple. This is, we have here three sentences, and we have at each sentence we have three options. We are going to select the right option. So I will give you the chance to practice this exercise and tell me in the comments down below, write down your answers. So I will read the exercise for you. So choose the correct answer. 1. Cindy will basketball. A. Plays. B. Play. C. Play it. Harry will go with Bob to the movies. A. Yesterday. B. Tomorrow. C. Last week. 3. Mark the body to the car tonight. A. Carried. B. Carries. C. Will carry. So, as I said before, write down in the comments down below your answers and I will check whether they are right or wrong. Okay? So that's all for today's video. See you next time. Goodbye.